Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a contact page to your site on Wix. This is the page that turns your visitors into real people. Let's go. From your dashboard, you want to click Edit Site. Once your site has been loaded into the Wix editor, you want to navigate over to the column on the left side, which is the editor menu, and select Pages and Menu. Once you're in Pages and Menu, you want to select Add Menu Item, and then select New Page from this little toolbar section. Here, Wix will give you the option to create a blank page, which you can design yourself by adding elements, images, text boxes, or you can use one of their templates designed for certain types of pages that are common. So in this case, we'll select Contact, and it's going to load, I don't know, 8 or 10 different templates that we can use as for our contact page. So if you want to check these out, just hover over one of them, select Preview. This one's pretty basic. We'll preview this one. There's a little more to it. As you can see, they have an image. They have a map. So it's really on what your preference is. We'll go ahead and click Add Page, and we'll add this basic contact page. Here you need to ensure the name of the page. We're going to call it Contact, so we'll click Done. And just like that, your page has been added and it's now ready to be edited. You can edit this page all day long. You can add sections, you can eliminate elements, add elements, you can add images, you can modify the text, add text. So it's really, you can design it to the way you want it to look for your website. Once you're done editing your new contact page, the last thing you want to do is you want to connect your contact page form to your email so messages go directly to you. So in order to do that, you want to scroll down here to the form section, and you want to click twice to select this section. As you can see, it's called Wix Forms. And here is where you can go into form settings. And then under Wix Forms, you want to go into Settings. And then under Email Notifications, we will set notifications. And here's where you can add your email address to have forms filled out sent directly to you. There's two options. There's this option, which is Inbox Email and Wix App. This is for a premium version. If you have a free version, you'll need to select Email Only. And here you can add up to 2 email addresses to your account and to get notified of any forms that are filled out. Simply click Add Email, type in your email address, and that's it. That is how you connect your email account to your contact page in order to get notified of any forms that are filled out. Last thing you want to do is you want to save your work. If you don't have autosave on, you definitely want to go up here and save your work. And now our contact page has been added to our site, as you can see here. I hope this helped. Please comment below, like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.